the family jewels!
$5,000 for Archie number 26.
Well, it's the only one where Veronica's topless.
Oh, and Veronica's tits are worth $5,000?
Well, at least someone's are.
You son of a bitch.
What? It's not like I'm the only one wasting money. What about all those sweaters for the dog?
You know how Mitzi gets cold?
She's been dead for 3 months.
Why do you think she's cold? I'm honoring her memory. Much more noble than you looking at cartoon breasts.
Well, I apologize if I get pleasure from my collection of artistic erotica. It's not like I'm getting pleasure from you.
Oh, and how do you think I feel? It's hard to get any pleasure from a pencil.
I hate you.
Oh, the feeling's mutual, buddy.
Ah, that's it. I'm out of here. Let's talk about the snookers.